Florida, and is now licensed to practice in both Arizona and Florida. For more than 10 years, Attorney Mai practiced law with excellence, integrity, and dedication, even listing cases all the way to Arizona Supreme Court, a testament to his capability and the trust his clients place in him. He is the owner, listen again, he is the owner and founder of AZ Legacy Law Group, a respected firm specializing in estate planning, business law, probate, asset protection, and non-profit law. Starting his firm from the ground up, Attorney Mai built it through hard work, compassion, and genuine desire to help families and business owners protect what matters most. Today, his practice proudly presents or holds a 5-star rating, reflecting the confidence and gratitude of the clients he serves. But beyond his legal expertise, what truly sets him apart is his heart for the community. Attorney Mai is dedicated and active PACA advocate, giving his time, insight, and leadership to support Filipino entrepreneurs and families throughout Arizona. His calm presence, thoughtful guidance, and unwavering reliability have made him one of PACA's most trusted leaders. And in the coming year, he will step into his new role as President-elect of PACA, ready with wisdom, humility, and vision. Today, we are honored to hear from a man who exemplifies professionalism, dignity, and the spirit of service, a leader who truly embodies vision to victory. Ladies and gentlemen, Attorney Luan Mai. Thank you. All right, this is not arranged in any order. I just picked. Okay. So our second business expert is Evelyn De La Cruz Justin Baste. Will you please stand up? Evie for short. Evelyn is a registered nurse, entrepreneur, philanthropist, in the making, real estate investor, author, I didn't know that, and a true innovator in healthcare. With more than 2 decades of experience in nursing and healthcare leadership, she has built an impressive portfolio of mission-driven enterprises across Arizona and California. She is the founder and managing member of multiple healthcare organizations, including American Premier Hospice, American Premier Palliative, and American Premier Home Healthcare, a 5-star rated agency known for excellence in patient care, and her commitment to compassionate service extends to California through American Excel Home Healthcare, and she leads the American Premier Foundation, which operates the Arizona Care Horizon Institute, serving families and caregivers with education, resources, and support. Beyond clinical care, Evelyn is a visionary entrepreneur. She owns North Point Senior Assisted Living, a boutique 10-bed community in Peoria dedicated to person-centered care. Alongside her husband, a pharmacist, she co-owns Saguaro Specialty Pharmacy, providing vital medications and infusion services to hospice and home health patients with dignity and compassion. Her entrepreneurial success extends into real estate, where she owns both commercial and residential investment, including a recent expansion in El Dorado Hills, California. There she is developing strategic resource marketing agency to help healthcare organizations grow ethically and effectively. Evelyn is also an author, currently writing a 3-book series chronicling her faith journey, immigration story, and evolution as a nurse and entrepreneur. Watch out for that. It's going to be a bestseller. Okay? Yet beneath her many roles, Evelyn remains grounded. She finds peace in hiking, caring for her plants, tending to her dogs, and sharing quiet moments with her husband around their outdoor ponds and saltwater aquarium. She cherishes travel, family time, and the connections that keep her heart full. Her spirit of service extends far beyond business. Evelyn supports medical missions, contributes to faith-driven community outreach, and champions programs that uplift caregivers of loved ones with dementia, offering resources, education, and compassion. She even runs short races. A woman whose life demonstrates what happens when purpose meets perseverance and when the vision truly becomes victory. Please join me in welcoming and inspiring Evelyn de la Cruz, Evie Justin Bastek, RNBSF. Thank you so much. You all have so impressive resume. I was looking at it, I almost fell off my chair. Oh my God, I'm so honored to be able to interview these people. So our next guest for today, she's not a business owner, but she helps business owners move forward. And you'd like to know this lady if you are in business. Her name is Elle Quiteves, Vice President of Commercial Loans at Gateway Bank. Let's all welcome her. Stand up, please. Don't stand up, don't sit down yet. Elle is a commercial lender and portfolio manager at Gateway Bank, proudly the only community bank in Mesa. In an industry often dominated by large institutions, Gateway Bank stands apart for its personal relationships. And Elle is one of the key reasons why. She has devoted her career to helping entrepreneurs secure the resources that they need to grow, guiding them with strategy, clarity, and genuine care. She holds a master's degree from the world-renowned Thunderbird School of Global Management, bringing a global mindset to every business owner that she supports, and Elle's impact extends far beyond banking. She currently serves as, take note, President of the Gilbert Toastmasters Club and recruitment chair for District 3, uplifting clubs across Arizona and Texas. Through her decade-long commitment to Toastmasters, Elle has empowered countless individuals to speak with confidence. Maybe I need that. I need that. Develop their leadership and unlock opportunities they never thought possible. And right here in our community, Elle is a highly active and deeply committed member of PACA. She shows up, supports events, champions Filipino-American businesses, and contributes her time and expertise with genuine passion. Her dedication reflects the very heart of PACA: collaboration, growth, and service. Whether she's helping business secure vertical funding, mentoring a new leader, or volunteering her time to advance our chamber's mission, Elle brings excellence and heart to everything she touches. Today, we are privileged to have her with us, a leader who truly embodies the spirit of vision to victory. Please join me in welcoming Elle Quiteves, Vice President of Commercial Loans at Gateway Bank. Okay, so now I'll bring you another gentleman, Jason Dragon. Well, don't be intimidated by the dragon. Last name, he's a friendly dragon. Over there, originally from Cebu, and their three handsome sons who inspire everything he does. Jason is the owner and founder of Emerald Computers, one of Arizona's most trusted and fastest growing chains for computer sales and repair. For years, he has been the go-to expert for individuals and businesses seeking reliable technology solutions, and he has built a reputation for honesty, efficiency, and genuine care for his customers. But Jason's entrepreneurs and owners navigate commercial leases, renegotiating fair deals, advocating for their needs, and ensuring they have the space to grow. His passion is simple: to see entrepreneurs succeed. Adding to his portfolio, Jason launched a marketing company focused on helping small business increase their online visibility. In a digital world, Jason equips local entrepreneurs with the tools they need to stay relevant, attract customers, and compete with confidence. In the community, Jason is a pillar of service. He faithfully served 3 terms as Vice President of PACA.